Yeah! I don't know how much battery I have left on this. I think it's nearly dead, but I had to put the camera on for this. A bag full of food and a bag full of pizza. This is not going to end well, but it's going to be fucking hilarious. Boop. Come on, buddy. Look at all this pizza. 2 bits of pizza. Oh. Don't hit into me, please. I got pizza. Think of the pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza pie. It's the first time I've ever had to do this. I'm going to stay in first until it's safe, because I have 2 big fucking roundabouts. Right, nice fucking indicator. Indicators be very helpful right now. I'm sorry, bike. Oh no. I gotta use the clutch. No. I'm so close. Don't hit into me, mister. I got pizza. Oh, yes. I got the pizza. I'm going so fast with the pizza. I got a thumbs up from a guy because he see my pizza. I made it. I made it with